Take a look at this 1939 Packard. This is what the old movie stars used to drive around in. Man, look at that front end. Whew. Spare tire. It's even got a rear view mirror mounted on it. Check out that glass. Got the, I don't know, suicide doors that open from the middle and go outward. White wall tires. Look at that. Big old trunk. Chromed up bumper. Even that gas cap. Got a key lock on it. Let's take a look on the inside. Oh man, it is just so clean inside here. Even the floorboards carpeted. Look at the back. This is where the action was taking place back in the old days. Nice cushy looking seat. Surprised it doesn't have a wet bar in it. Yeah, that's amazing. 1939 Packard.